Missing twin found and reunited with family. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 9-year-old twins Yahamalit and Tiwahrisah Holness of Norwood, St. James, who were reported missing on Wednesday, August the 3rd, have been relocated. The police provided an update on Thursday but did not provide any further details. A high alert was activated for the 9-year-old twins on Wednesday after they reportedly went missing from their home on Tuesday, June the 14th. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.